my dudes and my guys and my freaking boys. We made it to Doricon. First big drift event of the year. All the homies are here. I drove a lot yesterday. Didn't really film any of it because I just wanted to take a day for myself and drift. But we're about to go out. Gonna add a little bit of oil to the old VQ just to make sure she's healthy, and then we're gonna go out there with Cam, turbo BMW Z4. So we're gonna chase him the first. He's gonna dog us, but that's all right. Cam, Marvin. All right, we're about to go. I didn't have time to talk to Cam to see if we're doing the bank, so I guess YOLO. Look, y'all, we out here, we got Zelle in here. We're out here, got the AC blasting, baby. 60 degrees on high, windows up, living life in grid. Living life. Oh, hold on.
Rich life.
I think Jesse's trying to say something. Yeah.
No, your driving has gotten so much better. Bro.
Alright, about to do another lap with Cam chasing us. 2, 2, 3, 2. It don't matter to me.
240 now.
Yeah, he's fine. Yeah, he's good. 3. We're gonna do the bank.
Nice.
Alright, y'all, so there's a lot going on. Cam's car's acting silly, CJ's car's acting silly. He had to run home and grab his IS, and he's got to do some stuff with that. Been just running around helping out with the event here and there and stuff like that, so I haven't been able to drive much. I've only done 4 laps today, so we're going to try to run. Devin said he's got like enough tire for like 1 more lap, so we're going to try to run 1 more lap with him. He's in an automatic GS 400, so it's going to be kind of difficult because it's like drifts real slow and this thing drifts real fast, so it's like 2 different styles of car. So So we'll just see what we can make happen here. All right, we're getting ready to take off here. He said he's got to do like a weird manji in the bank, but he wants to do the bank, so we'll just try to keep our distance in the bank and then catch up when we can. That was good. That was good. All right, so we just pulled everybody out here on track. Zelle's right there taking pictures. Shout out the boy. We just pulled everybody out on track real quick, just for like a little media outing. Let's walk through and check out some of the cars. There's a Chaser right here. Got pretty clapped on the side, but it's on KFs and stuff like that. It's pretty sick. And CJ's car, the LS 240. This thing, Subaru wagon, he's like sponsored by like IAG and stuff like that. And it's like a verbal drive setup, so he drifts it. This is Connor's E30. It's pretty sick, LS swapped. It's Devin's car we've been drifting with, that's our car. Bunch of 240s here, which is pretty cool. Got a pickup. Got Cam's car. CJ's other car, so he blew up his 240 and went home and grabbed his IS300. So hopefully we'll be drifting that here in a minute. Bunch of stuff. Oh, this is a Mustang. This is a chase car for cameras and stuff. IS300. Termiata. Got a LS E36 right here. This thing's pretty rowdy. These dudes been tandeming. They've been doing real good. This thing is like probably my favorite thing here. They're sending the shit out of this thing. It's kind of wild. It's like a stock 1.8 NB. And I think they said it just has like just knuckles. But like last night in the rain, they were like doing the whole thing here. Just like, wah, sending it. It was pretty cool to see. A lot of 240s here. Pretty cool. This is an actual Tesla. This is one of the guys in the Capital K Car Club. So it's an actual Tesla. He just got it imported recently. It's pretty good. The TRD sport wheels and stuff. Pretty cool. That's Dan's 180SX. This is Sharon's Soar. Camera on camera action. That's Laron's Soar. He's by us, a Ranger. He does real good. A small block in it. Pretty cool. That's an Andy East 240. This thing's pretty nice. It's a 5.0 out of like a Mustang. It's all done up, nice drift car. Like different steering column, electric power steering. This is like the coolest part to me is like the hood's cut for the intake manifold and stuff. Another LS 240. Pretty standard setup here. This Mustang's sick. Lots of Mustangs here. Mustangs are becoming like the newer 240, I think. It's just, you can get them for cheap and you get V8 power for like no money. This thing's sick. It's an actual 180. So good looking. I like the paint. It's like super like metallic-y, but then it's got the Kevlar hood to match. So we got the same wheels. That's cool. Got the Tasha stuff. I think it's pretty cool. S15. These are getting more popular. Another Skyline right here. Say the quality of cars definitely here is pretty cool. S300. There's another one, actual 180SX right there. It's one of the Roadstar guys right here. Another S15. S13 actual right-hand drive S13. A bunch of like option stickers in and stuff. This thing's super period correct. I was like looking at it earlier, like Blitz seats. He had the wheel covers, yeah. The brake disc covers on it. And then a slick top coupe. So that's basically everything in a nutshell here. There's a lot more people that are still in the pits working on their stuff. A lot of cars are broken. It's a typical drift day. Just looking over here, it's the DMV Atasha group right there. There's like an M3 over there, Z right there. There's a bunch of stuff still in the pits, but I mean, for this to be the turnout for right now, it's pretty nuts. Also, look at this freaking location, dude, in the mountains. Crazy.
I goofed up. I goofed up a little bit. I goofed up a little bit. I'm all out of grip. Yeah, I got no grip left to catch them. I know I haven't been talking much, but it has been a long day full of a lot of stuff that I'm not gonna put on YouTube. So, just ready to go out and knock this last little bit out here, just air down tire pressure. Hopefully it'll be a little bit more consistent. That's the hopes, at least. I don't think I have any friends to drive with. Oh, I do. There's Connor right there. Oh no, I was gonna go get in with Connor. Never mind. All right, Sharon just popped in behind us with the soarer, so hopefully we do a decently good lead. Found some grip. That's good. Oh yeah. Just feeling much better now. Got some tire rubber in my eye. Good. That was good. All right, now we are in a 3. I didn't even know we were running 3. Dan's behind us in the 180SX. So we got LaRon driving Sharon's car and then Dan behind us. Hopefully we can keep her consistent a little bit. That was good. Me and my friend set this event up in 60 days, well, a little less than 60 days. And my main goal is I just wanted to drive with all my friends, really. So we set this up, a little over 100 drivers showed up, and it was crazy, dude. I'm so tired. I'm just now unloading. It's the following day. I didn't film much on Friday just because it rained and I was focused on making sure the car was good. I don't know if you guys watched the prep video, but I had a lot of stuff going on. Yeah, so mainly just filmed. That's gross. Mainly just filmed on Saturday. So that's that video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really wanted to do a lot more video stuff, but it's really hard being a one-man band, basically trying to take care of the car, take care of customers, take care of friends, all that other stuff, and still be able to film quality stuff. It just super difficult. I'll get it figured out eventually. I made a ton of shirts, not a ton. I made a handful of shirts that I was trying to sell at the event and didn't even have time to do that. I made a bunch of stickers for the event, didn't have any time to sell any of those. So yeah, I tried to make a decent video for you guys. If you guys like this kind of stuff, please let me know in the comments. It really keeps me motivated. Appreciate y'all. I'll see y'all later. Peace.